Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Power BI Desktop and choosing Get Data. This is the first action that creates the connection surface. Select your source type, Excel, CSV, SQL Server, Web API, and point to the file or server. Provide credentials now, because authentication shapes the available schema and query folding behavior. Once done, preview a few rows to verify encoding and delimiters, and make sure to uncheck loading for staging tables you won't need immediately. You move into Power Query to clean and shape data. This is where accuracy and performance are determined. Rename columns, set precise data types, remove unwanted rows, and merge queries when relationships imply denormalization. Use query folding to push operations to the source server when available. That reduces memory load locally. Once your transformations are stable, create parameters for file paths or date ranges, and configure incremental refresh if you're handling large, frequently updated tables for faster refresh. You now decide between import and direct query, import for speed and offline use, direct query for real-time source reliance. Then load the model. Validate relationships, check calculated columns and measures with sample visuals, and inspect performance with the Performance Analyzer. Publish to the Power BI service and set up scheduled refresh and gateway if needed. If something breaks, check credential errors and privacy levels first. Resolving authentication or data privacy mismatches fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.